Today, we are going to learn how to do some math using number bonds. These are some questions that you will see in exams. You might have noticed some two-digit numbers involved in these questions, which can be scary at first. However, we can make it easier by breaking down the big numbers into parts by its tens and ones. Let's start with subtraction. If we have a big number like 18, and we need to take away 7, we can think of 18 as 10 and 8. Then, we can take away 7 from 8 and get 1. Don't forget we have the 10 left, so we add 10 and 1 together and get 11 as our answer. Now, let's try addition. If we have a question like 15 plus 3, we can think of 15 as 10 and 5. Then, we can add 3 to 5 easily and get 8. Don't forget about the 10 that we broke down earlier, so we add 10 and 8 together to get 18. Here, we can see the difference in the diagrams between subtraction and addition. You might be wondering how to solve a question that includes both addition and subtraction. So now, we are going to try a little trickier question. It's 17 minus 5 plus 8, which has two operations involved. But don't worry, we can still solve it step by step. First, we are going to break down the big number 17 into parts. We can think of it as 10 and 7. Then, we can easily take away 5 from 7 as you are in the position of a part where only one line is attached to you when subtraction is involved. So, 7 minus 5 gives you 2. Since at the second part of the question, we have to add 8 to our equation. We know that this portion involves the addition aspect to number bonds, where there are two lines attached to the new question mark. Hence, we add 2 and 8 together, which gives you 10. Don't forget about the 10 from earlier, so our final answer is 10 plus 10, which gives us 20. That's all for now. There are a few questions for you to try out in the meantime, and the answers will be revealed in our next video. See you then!